at the IT support team level, they have to be taken out very seriously. I will talk about dynamic reorganization of application portfolio. In other words, people know it as application portfolio rationalization. We don't require this if a regular practice is there to evaluate the application suitability of the business and assessing the technical smartness of the application. Given the scenario, most of the organizations are not 100% behind it. There is a requirement of one-time activity, when I say one-time activity in probably 8 to 10 years, to do a reorganization of the application portfolio. So what I do here, if you see the graph, the little graph I have put at that bottom right corner, we evaluate the application's utilization, whether high or low, whether the applications are using the latest technology, that means if it has been continuously upgraded as per the release, high or low. So we get 4 quadrants. The top right quadrant with the applications high utilization for business as well as highly modernized technology being used, will get a green go that these applications are going to stay and they don't require any kind of further maintenance. The applications which are highly utilized by business but very low in technology, we need to consider either the ones which are already high on the technology usage, whether some of them take care of those functionalities, or else we need to upgrade those applications to the latest technology because they're highly used by business. We need to cater to the business in the right way. The ones they are high on technology but not utilized by business, we need to consider probably definitely port those functionalities into the platform which are green and then retire that application. The ones I marked as red on the top, on the bottom left corner, the ones that are not utilized much by business, technology is also very old, they are probably not required by anybody. So 99% cases the approach is we just retire it. So what is the approach we take? We for the dynamic reorganization of the application portfolio, we do a high-level study and come up with this kind of a little graph, so which would be more exhaustive when I do a real-time study, and come up with the short-term, mid-term, and long-term implementation plan. I'll take you through a case study. It's an illustrative case study. Let's assume an IT department of manufacturing organization. They have an annual budget of 170 million US dollar. Their business is like manufacturing electronic items. They are designed in-house as well as collaborated by partners. They are outsourced manufacturing. They sell through various partner channels and frequently need to change the business strategy to compete in the market. We know that this kind of business are very competitive. When I come up with some kind of a product, we don't know whether the consumers in the market will like it or not. And I need to be very dynamic to guess that and change my business strategy, even if that means that changing some, adding some new features or changing some new some features in the product while I just launched it. The IT system here catered to the business areas like supply chain, supplier collaboration, product design, sales, production, finance, executive reporting, human resource, legal matters, daily operations definitely such as email, document vault, network, etc. We have around 300 IT applications, big plus small, and there are 20 applications running with business. I mentioned to you that sometimes business tend to use their own applications. Type of applications or systems are like major ERP systems are there. There are PLM packages. In-house applications are also built on Unix Oracle system and mainframe. And we also have enterprise application integration product. What is the challenge with business? It's very important. I'm going slow on that. Slow processing to roll out any design change. Slow response to the dynamic change in the market demand. No skill support for 20 non-IT applications. And what is the challenge with IT? Decreasing trend of budget allocation from CEO and CFO, and high turnaround time for incident resolution, 3 to 6 months, instability after new project go live. So let's take a look at their system, how it is catering to different business areas. So the rectangular boxes are the various business areas, as I mentioned, like product design, production, supply chain. The oval boxes are the IT solutions for them. If you see the legend of the color, so ERP solution is catering to supply chain, product design, production, sales, finance, supplier collaboration. CRM solution is catering to the sales. There is a PLM package who is helping the product design and supplier collaboration to some extent. Enterprise data warehouse application is there to take care of the exec reporting. Also there are like other small applications to take care of exec reporting. So other small applications are taking care of human resource and legal matters. And daily operations are generally catered by their email solutions and the content management solution. So the goal is to reduce the IT budget within 2 years to $120 million from 170. The lead time, the making the system available across the portfolio to 99%. Currently it is 96%. Lead time between the business process should be reduced by half, and not more than one high severity incident after any project go live. So the organizations have taken up these 4 initiatives. Cost reduction, plan to retire less used or not used application that frees up the support personnel cost, releases hardware boxes, remove license cost, remove unused hardware infrastructure. That gives a savings of around $15 million over the period of 2 years and increases the system availability by 1%. On the right corner, project for business, review all the business process mapping, identify the gap and litigation, reduce number of applications and increase into and plan for new projects, cancel non-value add projects. With the new projects, I am incurring more cost, but by cancelling non-value add projects, I am saving lots. So this gives me $7.5 million saving. Business satisfaction increases, business process lead time improves. The third initiative is the review project methodology. We need to involve business during the requirement gathering. Testing methodology needs to be improved. Getting criteria, should not go to the next phase of the project unless your previous criteria has been satisfied. Business involvement in all project phases. This reduces the deadline means and saves a lot, $20 million. Business satisfaction increases, business process lead time improves, system availability increases 1.5% because the project go lives are now smooth. And the knowledge management. We need to maintain a good knowledge repository and a good business and IT collaboration here. This increases the availability by 1%, saves $7.5 million and definitely business satisfaction. Here is a